Okay, this is our subject. Welcome in science. Our subject is physics for secondary one, first semester, chapter 9.3. Our topic today is about weight. The Earth's gravity pulls you downwards. The Earth's gravity causes a force that pulls any object downwards. This force is called weight. Weight is measured in Newton. The floor pushes upwards on us with a force. This force is called contact force. So, the force of gravity and contact force is equal if you stand on the floor and you do not do any activity. This is the formula to calculate the force. W equals m times g, with W equals weight. So the unit is Newton, equals kilogram meter over second power of 2, and m is mass, the unit is in kilograms, and g means gravity, the unit is meter over second square. Example: a 40 kilogram boy is standing on the floor. If the Earth's gravity is 10 meter over second square, calculate the weight of the boy. Answer: m equals 40 kilogram, g equals 10 meter over second square, weight equals m times g equals 40 times 10. So the weight is 400 Newton. Okay, students, I think it's enough for today. Thanks for your attention. Now this is the question. If the gravity of the moon is 1/6 times of Earth's gravity, and the gravity of the Earth is 10 kilogram meter over second square, if a man by mass 96 kilogram is in the Earth, calculate the weight that man A in the Earth, B in the moon. If I mean, you repeat what? The question.
Yes, sir.
You can see this slide, can't you?
No, sir. Cuma ada science,